This is the Planet of the Vapes X MAX Starry Quickstart video, where we show you how to get the best results on your first session. In the box, you'll find a Starry Vaporizer, extra screens, an extract pod, a multi-tool, tweezers, a cleaning brush, a USB charging cable, an 18650 battery, and a Planet of the Vapes grinder and storage container. Charge the Starry fully when you first receive it. This could take as long as 4 hours the first time around, but will be faster on subsequent charges. When the battery indicator on the screen stops blinking, that means you're good to go. We prefer a medium, slightly chunkier grind for the Starry. Loosely fill the chamber with your herb, then tamp it down just enough so it doesn't stick up. You don't want it too tight. Hold the largest button for 3 seconds to turn on the Starry. It will start heating up immediately. Use the 2 smaller buttons to turn the temperature up and down. Let's start off at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. When the coffee cup icon stops blinking, it's time to vape. For best results, take short, light puffs, like sipping a cup of hot tea. When you're done, turn off the Starry by holding the largest button for 3 seconds. Dump out the contents of the oven and use the included cleaning brush to knock loose any remaining bits. To swap out the battery, slide the latch on the Starry's underside and let it drop out. Place your new battery in, positive end first. And that's it. We hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest from Planet of the Vapes.